Please don't tell me you are a fly. Can you fly like that?
I am not flying jet.
I am literally giving you wings.
You are not Red Bull.
Okay, guys. Hi. Hi, kimchis.
Yes, this is what we have to start. Hi, kimchis, and welcome back to
Kore.
Desi.
And today we are reacting to a song from an artist which we have never heard from. Okay, let me see who it is. So it's Eve, and the song is Bang Bang.
Eve or Ive? Eve is EVE. It's IVE.
Whatever you say, madam.
For the first time, I've caught her. I have got her misreading, mispronounce.
Let's start the video first.
You wanna throw away your and every time you make fun of me that I always read it wrong. Ooh.
It's a nuisance, it's aggressive. 이미 알아차렸겠지. 끝이 아닌 모든 소문 속에 problem. Yeah, I'm catchy. 벽에 붙은 나의 picture. I don't want it. Wake up, 주저하지 말고 다른 시선 주는 뭐 agree. I don't give a shit what you say. Yeah, I've been going out with a bang, 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 bang,
Bang bang.
going out with a bang. This is my way.
The moment I say bang, it's not bang.
Finally, after how many attempts?
Hey, I told you it's explosive, it's aggressive, it's a little bit offensive. Yeah, I said it. Yeah, wake up, 주저하지 말고 그냥 만나면 돼. I don't give a shit what you say. I've been going out with a bang, 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 bang.
Oh, I like this. Oh wow.
Going out with a bang, shaking my head. This is my way. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I've been going out with a bang. This is my day, bang or day. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Korean editors also need to be.
Why are all the girls nowadays in K-pop looking the same?
Point?
The makeups and everything, the hair colors, like
The
in every
hairstyle.
group there would be one pink girl, there would be a blonde, there would be this and that, you know.
Even the fashion.
This was nice. Okay.
Was the name of the movie of Hrithik Roshan and Katrina Kaif Bang Bang, or was it the song only?
So it's like, so before the actual beats of the song started, you know, it was kind of the intro of the song. I thought it was something similar to what I have heard lately in past 6 months or so.
I felt it after I heard the song, not the starting.
So before that, bang bang and everything which came, you know, and the beat started, the initial 30 seconds to 60 seconds of the song, they were very kind of, let's say,
Repeated.
yes, inspired or copied, or it was not even inspiration. It was just like same as in what is happening in different K-pop groups. It's just a new group is presenting it.
I like the animation cinematography, the
Yes,
concept.
yes.
Concept.
Once the beat started, and later on, I mean, I could see the differentiation and some good pointers. But before that,
But still, I would, for me at least, not rate it like wow, wonderful song. Good. I enjoyed it, but not the one which will always be on the
but you
loop.
never know, you know. Sometimes we predict something for a song and it becomes a banger.
The opposite mostly happens for me.
Correct. I mean, look at, like, we didn't like Eyes Closed of Jisoo and Zen, and
You saw the look in my eyes.
yeah, I mean, and then we did not even like I'm not cute anymore.
Oh, that cute anymore. That blew up.
Yeah, so
Even I think we liked the Zen and Jisoo one after we heard it like for 2-3 more
yes,
times.
yes, and we liked her that song more, the one with nature and flowers. I
The
always
pink gown.
I always forget the name of that song. And it did not become quite a success, which it should have.
Yeah, I like that. It
And
was
we
so-
also like that Lisa's Dream, you know. It was a beautiful song.
I think with Kentaro, right?
Yes.
That was amazing. I think it was appreciated also.
Yeah. But it did not receive that much hype, which it should have. I mean, I like the song
in the
a
era
lot.
of bang bang. What
I
would you-
know. I mean, people don't appreciate slow, soft music, and I don't know, lyrics are not appreciated much, I feel.
More of the sensation feeling of
Yeah.
the tone.
The vibe and the energy is more appreciated.
You know, the concept
And-
that concert economy is booming nowadays.
Yes, and even you know, the art of singing is not appreciated much because it's so much autotune and AI nowadays. It's more like
The editors are getting the
you are just appreciating the performers, not artists.
performers,
There's
the
a huge-
composers.
No, I'm talking about the difference between an artist and you know, performer. So performer is more like
Stage presence.
yes, and a artist is like you know, the person who loves the art form which they are doing, whether singing or dancing or any other art form. So that is not appreciated much. The thing which is appreciated is maybe your looks, your stage presence, your confidence, all those things, and how much your company can market you.
The short form clips circulated online.
Yes. Okay, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.
Stay tuned, kimchis.